In this video I'm gonna show you the performance of the charger that comes with your Oppo A96 inside the box. So in front of me I have this charger right here, and next to it is a cable, and here's the Gosund socket in which we'll see the exact performance. So let's plug the Gosund socket inside the power source. Plug in the charger, then take the cable out. Like this. Here we need to connect the power, and here the indicator says that it's charging, and on this phone right here we can see the exact performance, which will refresh in a second. Let's help it a bit, like that. And now we can see current milliamperes per hour, and it's 43. Power in watts is 10.6, voltage in volts is 241, and in total kilowatts per hour is 66.05. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.